Hello everyone. Today I would like to talk about Medium. First of all, what is Medium? Medium is a blogging platform, so you can write a blog or any article and post it in Medium. So we can simplify by using the ChatGPT. You can write simple articles and you can post it. So let me show how we can achieve that. Just go to any of the browser and search it in the Google for Medium. So this is the one. Once you go into the portal, just you have to log in into this. Just click on start reading. So we have to sign up with a Google account or Facebook. Just I'm signing with the Google and using my Gmail account, I'm logging into it. Once you log in into that, you can write, just you can click on write and you can start writing the articles like title and the description like that. And also you can include some images and also the YouTube links and some programming code like that. You can include that one. So let me show how we can easily write the article by using the ChatGPT. Let's go to ChatGPT, that is chat.openai.com. If you are new to the ChatGPT, I have created a video about this one and given the link in the description. Please go through it. For example, I want to write a blog about the artificial intelligence. So just I'm giving the prompt like this. Please write a nice blog about artificial intelligence using the intelligence to post on the Medium. Just click on enter. So within seconds it will create the blog to post into the Medium account. So it is also giving the title like this: unleashing the power of the artificial intelligence, a glimpse into the future. So it is giving the introduction and also there's some points related to it, and finally it is giving the conclusion itself. Just you can copy the title here like this, here title, and about the other part just you can copy this thing and here. And you can also add the images. Just go to Google and search the images whatever you want and you can attach here. Once you have updated here, just click on publish thing. So then within seconds it will publish. So this is a very good platform to post any content. If you are a programmer or if you are interested in writing your personal blogs, this platform is very helpful, and your monetization is also available by using the Medium, so you can earn the money if you get more followers. Thank you. If you like this video, please subscribe to this channel. Thank you.